Hello guys, welcome to my Adventech channel. Today I am going to show you in this video how to enable startup app notification on your Windows 11. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you want to enable startup app notification on your Windows 11, then first of all you need to click on start menu, then type here settings, click on settings. In left section you can see your system, just click on the system. Come to the right section, in this you can see notification, click on notification. In this you can see notification. If it is disabled, you just need to enable this option. After that just close this window. That's it guys. So in this way you can enable startup app notification on your Windows 11 computer or laptop. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.